In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications from your Prime Video app. So if you've been receiving a lot of pop-up notifications from this app and you find them annoying, let me show you how you can stop them for once and for all. If you find this video helpful, I'll just kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, the best way to permanently stop pop-up notifications from Prime Video app is to access the app information page. And to do this, there are two ways. First, you can go to settings and then tap on it. Then from settings, scroll down until you see this option called apps. Now for this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Under this, look for this option called manage apps. On your phone, it might be written all apps or more apps. Go ahead and tap on it to open. And this will go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Scroll down until you see your app. And as you can see, mine is here. Go ahead and tap on it to open. And now you can see we are on the app information page. Now let me show you a shortcut method you can use if that was a long process. For that, just go to your app and instead of tapping on it or opening it, just long press on it and then you'll see this option called app info. If you go ahead and tap on it, you will now see you are on the app information page. From here, scroll down until you see this option called notifications. As you can see, currently it is set to yes. That's why you are receiving those notifications. Now we have various notifications that have been turned on here, and you can go on and turn off one by one. However, if you want to turn all of them once, just go ahead and toggle this off, show notifications. And now you can see they are off. From now henceforth, you will never again see those pop-up notifications from your Prime Video app. So if this video is helpful, kindly let me know in the comment section and also let me know if you have any other question. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.